All right, so real quick update. The Pentagon came out and said they did a drone strike and took out an ISIS-K member. I believe now it's 2 ISIS-K members and wounded a third, and they were a mission planner or whatever in retaliation for 13 Marines, U.S. Marines losing their lives. They did it with a drone strike, so they flew the drone in. I don't know, something like it was over 600 miles. Flew the drone in, hit this target. Was driving in a car and took out 2 people and injured a third. And that happened, within 24 hours of these Marines losing their lives at the Kabul airport. Here's what I think on this. This is just my take on it. Maybe you guys have some other stuff. Maybe you think Joe's now a fucking hero. But here's my take on it. I would like to know how you knew they were in there. How did you know what the target was? I mean, hell, you could have walked. You could have been inside of the Kabul airport, right? The Kabul airport, and just shot a bunch of rounds and probably hit somebody who was fucking with ISIS or certainly with the Taliban. But they're saying that at first they were saying, well, this was a high level target. Well, who is that target? I'd like to know who that was. I'd like to know who gave you the intelligence that told you where that target was going to be. And if the Taliban told them and gave them intel into that target, I guarantee you it's not a high level target. It's probably some guy that doesn't mean shit, some worthless piece of shit that they want to get rid of anyway. Or they were just, they just targeted a car, or they didn't even do the attack at all. It's amazing how, we hunted Osama bin Laden for years. So this guy probably either, if he was a planner, right, or a strategist, he wasn't the guy that, planned the attack at the Kabul airport, right? And I really don't understand, if the government, and this is really just to make Joe look like a hero, you know that, right? This is just to spin something positive on this, going, well, see, Joe got him. See, Joe did something. He retaliated. Well, here's the thing, guys. It doesn't take a fucking genius, right? If this guy planned this attack, it doesn't take a fucking genius to strap a bunch of high explosives to somebody and have them run at the fucking gate or walk up to the fucking gate and then detonate that shit and take out mass casualties because they didn't know who was coming in. The Taliban probably let the guy in if they were acting as exterior security or security further down, right? So this is an absolute red herring. It's a farce. It means nothing. It means nothing. But see, Joe needed a win after all the fuck ups that he's been doing, after all the huge crises that he's created and all the shit that he's done. He needed a victory, so the Pentagon decided they were going to go ahead and give Joe that victory because right now everybody in this whole thing looks like a fucking idiot. Period. And again, well, how much planning does it take to strap a bunch of fucking explosives onto somebody and have them go into a crowd up near some Americans and freaking detonate it? I mean, if it takes a real high-level strategist and planner to do that, then, those guys are in trouble if they think they could run a fucking country. So anyway, those are my thoughts. Give me your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, guys, hit that subscribe button and smack that bell notification for upcoming videos, all right? That's just my take on it. I think they needed to give Joe a win, and this was the way they did it. But, realistically, 1 drone strike, 2 targets that we don't even know who the hell they are or what level they were at within the ISIS organization. These are not high-level targets. I promise you that. And if they even were targets, but if that's the trade-off is 2 of their guys for 13 of ours, that's pretty fucking weak response. My opinion. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks.